In 1982, I had the pleasure of having a conversation with Dr. Joseph Campbell, the mythologist, because my artwork was hanging in the Fountain Street Church in Grand Rapids, Michigan, alongside his talk on mythology. And he said that a civilization's origin myth unfolds in its beliefs and values. So I began to think about Genesis and the two trees in the Garden of Eden as somehow creating our beliefs and values and where we have now arrived in this incredibly chaotic time. And so I began to do some research and found out that the word Rahas, R-A-H-A-S, was mistranslated and understood to be dominion over the animals and plants when it was meant to be in partnership with. So our dominion over led to deforestation, cloud seeding, scientific understanding, etc., that has led us to this place where if it isn't scientifically proven, it isn't real and therefore not regarded as viable. That in and of itself is representative of our having bitten the apple in the tree of knowledge. Because once you know something, you can't unknow it. But you do have a responsibility around how the knowledge is used. And that's where the tree of life comes in. Because there were two trees in the Garden of Eden. And my entire dissertation was about repainting, restructuring, recreating the tree of knowledge and the tree of life in acrylic painting. And then using Carl Jung's active imagination to actually enter into conversation with each of these trees, imagining them in a Venn diagram overlapping, out of which came the Vesica Pisces, the almond-shaped middle part. It's also called the mandorla. And the 7 themes of Regenesis were born out of overlapping the scientism of the tree of knowledge and the heart-centeredness and discernment, careful discernment, and respectful reciprocity that comes out of the tree of life. And it's about finding the commonality, the benefits and strengths in both trees that the 7 themes of Genesis ask us to do.